안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. KDS를 운영하고 있는 깜부터 엔터테인먼트의 총괄 김홍래입니다. 저희 10월 21일, 22일 영암 인터내셔널에서 KDS 교통안전센터와 함께하는 KDS 3전이 열립니다. 모두 많은 시청 바라고요. 다 함께 행복하게 즐길 수 있겠습니다. 피스!
Alright, what's up guys, this is Jason here from Malaysia. Together with a few of the judges here, I will be judging on the panel for this Korea Drift Series Round 3. We are here at this Korea International Circuit, and here this is our layout today, and for tomorrow we're going to have a practice for today, and tomorrow we're going to have a tandem battles. So guys, we have the live on the Facebook, catch up with us tomorrow. See you. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Tony Arakaki. I'm from Japan, but I'm also from the Philippines. I'm here as a judge for Korean Drift Series Round 3 here at Korea International Circuit. And you can see the layout for tomorrow's event. So if you're coming to come watch us tomorrow, come join us. If you're going to be in the live stream, go check it out. So please support us. Thank you.
Hi, 안녕하세요. What's up guys? Bullseye here. I'm from Malaysia and now I'm here in Korea, South Korea at KIC. And now we're round 3 of KDS. Check out the layout, the drivers ready. We have 38 drivers ready to go head to head and see who's going to be the first winner for this round 3. So Bullseye right here signing out. I'll see you guys and let the best man win. Po! Go!